What's up, YouTube? This is Brian Pfeiffer, aka the Marketing Meathead, and today we're going to talk about how to make $100 a day with Dosh.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
All right, guys, so I stumbled upon this app through one of my media buyers, and we're actually going to start running some traffic to this to see if we can get it to convert. This is a fairly new app. This is my cell phone here. This is the app. It's called Dosh, D-O-S-H. And I do have a referral link below and a referral code. My referral code and link is, you can just, when you do sign up, you'll get your own as well. And you got to go here, and there it is. So it's Brian P7, okay? Now, the way this works is basically you have like a wallet. And let me click onto that here. And then you have different, like, this is like what I've accumulated so far. So basically I got $5 to show up or to connect a credit card to this. And then I've had 2 people sign up underneath me, and I got a $10 bonus for them signing up. Now, you don't make anything on their activity. You only make money on your activity, but I spent a ton on credit cards. So basically, you know, you go into offers here, and pretty much like all the major stores like nearby are... let me move this thing. All the major stores are like nearby my house are on here. Sam's Club. I think I saw Walmart on here. There's a couple places that I work with. This place, Pampas here. That's a place that we do a ton of business with. We send a lot of our bachelor parties there and bachelorette parties. And there's another place here called Firefly, which is another huge place for us that I use all my credit cards at. I probably spend like, 40, 50 grand a year at some of these places. And now I'm getting 5% cash back. So once you, so this is pretty great. Let's just say I conservatively spend 20 grand at Firefly a year, which is very conservative because I send sometimes 40 or 50 people a night there. So let's just call it, let's just say 20 grand, and I get 5% cash back for doing nothing. That's $1,000 a year for doing nothing. That's a vacation. Okay. So this is pretty sick, guys. This is like a really cool app, and the fact that if I refer anybody, I get $10, and then I get all that cash back just by putting my credit cards in. Now, let me go off the screen here for a sec here. I just want to see. I'm not making sure I don't show any data here. Okay. So, yeah. So you just go up here to, accounts and cards. It's the top left here. You can't really see it there. This here. So if you click on that, there's like a accounts and cards. Here's your profile. And, you can add a referral code in if somebody referred you, which is mine, because hopefully you're going to use mine because you saw me now. So, or you saw this on my channel. So, yeah, basically you just go in and then you add cards. Once you add your credit cards here, it's real easy. You just add a credit or debit card. And let me make sure it's not going to show anything that I don't want it to show. Yeah, well, yeah, it just shows the last couple numbers here. So, there's basically I linked all my cards in here. I got multiple in here, and then you can link your bank account. So when you have the cash, like right now, I can cash out $25. So if we go into my wallet here, and here's my wallet, and I can actually transfer this to my bank account or PayPal. Okay, so why don't I just go ahead and add my PayPal here? I'll show you guys this is legit. Brian at and we'll just add a PayPal here, and it'll initiate a transfer, and you got paid. So, if you refer 10 friends a day, that's $100 a day, like the title of the thing here. All right, so that is my PayPal. And we're going to go ahead and do select transfer account PayPal. And we're going to do 25, done, and we'll transfer that, and boom. All right, so I got $25 on my way. It could take 3 to 5 days, okay? So that's it. It's that simple. And then, every time you use any one of your credit cards on any one of these places in this offer sheet here, you get paid this % back. So I have like all my business credit cards I connected to this thing. So anytime I go to Firefly or any one of these places, Guess, I shop a lot at Guess. I get 5%, like automatic. You don't have to do anything. You literally just put the credit card in here, and this thing's going to recognize the fact that you're using that credit card at one of these places and give you cash back. Okay, unbelievable app here. This is a really, really cool, the Dosh app. Go ahead and use my referral code here, Brian P7. I'll put a link below as well. And go ahead and get this on your phone. Link your credit and debit cards and start getting money back on all the purchases you automatically make on all your credit cards. So now you not only get like the credit card points, but you also get the percent back here by pretty much doing nothing except putting your credit card in. So it's pretty cool. Definitely get this thing, and we'll talk to you guys later. If you did learn something today, go ahead and leave me a comment below. Let me know your thoughts. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and leave me a comment below. And go ahead and hit that like button. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And bang the notifications bell so you can hear about the next cool thing I have to tell you guys. I'm the Marketing Head. Talk to you later.